Hey guys, this is Suzanne.
And this is Russ.
And today we're going to show you this Disney Junior Muppet Babies Playroom figure set.
Yay!
Yay! And we've got Kermit the Frog and Fozzie the Bear in the back.
Hi ho. Wacka whack. Wacka. I back out my wacka.
And we're going to show you this complete set. This has all the characters from the new Disney Junior show Muppet Babies.
Yep, very cool.
Very cool. And there's the back. So we have Gonzo, Summer Penguin, Kermit, Fozzie, and Piggy. And it looks like you can get this schoolhouse play set for them to play in. Oh, and there's Animal.
Animal! He's jumping in the air. Woohoo!
Animal, I think, is my favorite.
He's pretty fun.
He is. So let's get to opening this thing.
Okay. So all our little characters are here today to hang out with you guys.
Yeah.
Which is awesome. Right, Gonzo?
Oh yeah, I like to hang out with the kids.
I think Gonzo was one of my favorite as well. Pull them out here, hopefully. Oh, yay. Super easy.
Ooh.
And look, there they are. So cute. Let's just start from the beginning.
Okay.
I wonder if these are the same figures.
Oh, Susie, take me out of my... Oh, thank you. I'm free. I'm free.
I wonder if these are the exact same ones as the trike. Let's see. So let me grab the one
Okay.
that we got from the trike. Now, are they exact duplicates? They are not.
No, they almost look like identical twins.
They look almost like twins,
Almost.
but they are slightly different. Hairdo's a little bit different. The dress is different.
Oh, yeah.
I was wondering and I was worried that these were going to be exactly the same, but they are in fact a little bit different.
Hi,
So-
Miss Piggy. Well, hello, Miss Piggy. Hi, guys. Oh, hey, Russ.
So let's stick Piggy back there in her trike.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to stick her twin right beside her in the back.
All
Who
right.
should we open up next?
We could do Kermit.
Let's do Kermit. Uh-oh. Looks like they've got Kermit tucked in here tightly.
Hi, guys. I'm ready to come out of my box. Woohoo! I'm out. I'm out.
Cool, and let's see if he's different than the other Kermit from the trike set. Yep, again, I think because the trike set, they have the movable legs.
Oh, yeah.
But the playroom figures, they can't do that. It's a little bit different. And his arms don't move. And in this one, his arms move up and down. So they are a little bit different.
A little bit, yeah.
But again, Kermit has his twin here.
Hi, Kermit. Oh, hello, Kermit. We're both Kermits, and we're both green. Hey.
Cute. Stick him back in his trike, and we'll stick his twin right back beside him. Okay, who's next, Russ?
Well, let's do Fozzie. Fozzie, you want to come out?
Yes, I do. Just don't throw any tomatoes.
Okay, we won't throw any tomatoes, Fozzie.
Oh, I'm having trouble. Oh, here I am. Hi, guys.
I like how he's waving at us. He's cute.
Yes, he's very cute.
Does Fozzie have a joke for us today?
Oh, yeah, I got a joke. What do you call a banana?
What?
Not an orange, but a banana. Ah, waka waka.
Wow, Fozzie, you just have the best jokes in the world.
Wow, Fozzie, that was an interesting joke. Yeah, I wouldn't have guessed it was a banana. Oh no, there's two Fozzies.
Two Fozzies, we're in trouble. We are in trouble.
Waka.
So cute.
Waka waka.
Almost exactly.
Yep, pretty close.
Okay, let's stick Fozzie Bear back by his twin. And now we have some fun ones left.
Who do we want to do next? I'll let you pick, Suzanne.
I'll pick Animal.
Okay.
Animal. Let me out of the box.
Ooh, cool. He's got his drumsticks.
Dad, where's my drum? Animal.
He loves to play the drums. I don't know if he's very good at playing the drums, but he does love to beat on them.
He does, and he doesn't sound great, but he is good at banging on them, aren't you, Animal?
You're just banging the drums.
Stick him back.
Oh, Animal, you gotta stay up, buddy. There you go. Hey, Animal, you're in front of my car.
Ah!
How about Gonzo next?
Okay.
Hey everybody, it's me, Gonzo.
Hey, Gonzo, how you doing? You're looking pretty good today.
Yeah, he's got that look on his face like, I might be up to something. And then he's got his hand behind his back. Is he crossing his fingers?
Uh-oh.
I'm looking to get in some trouble today.
I'm not gonna tell what I've been up to. Sorry, guys.
It's okay, Gonzo.
And of course, Gonzo loves Miss Piggy.
Oh, hello, Gonzo.
Hey, Miss Piggy. I like your pink bow.
So we'll put him right by her because he's in love with her.
Animal.
And last we have Summer Penguin.
Yeah, and I'm not as familiar with her because she's more of a new character.
Yeah, I think she's from the new Muppet series. When I was growing up, we didn't have Summer Penguin. But I like her. She's a nice addition. She's very cute.
Yeah.
I don't know, Miss Piggy might get a little jealous of her, though, because I heard Kermit has a crush on her.
Uh-oh, is that true, Kermit? Oh, yeah, I don't talk about my crushes.
Yeah, you better not, Kermit.
Oh, okay, we don't want to make Miss Piggy upset, so,
Yeah, Summer Penguin better watch out.
be careful, Summer.
So cute. I love her.
It's summer.
Wow, so there they are.
Wow, that's a pretty cool collection.
Yeah, we absolutely love the Muppet Babies. Make sure and check out our other Muppet Babies videos in our end screen below. Russ, any final thoughts?
I do. Muppet Babies, Muppet Babies. That's the only thing that comes to my mind is the song.
All right, guys, we'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.